Get ready to unlock your potential and make a difference. Imagine being able to support brands and causes you care about, all while earning rewards for your influence. In this video, I'll introduce you to a free app that empowers you to do just that. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Now, let's get started. Express yourself and get rewarded. Imagine having the power to influence brands and causes you believe in while getting rewarded for it. With Bulbshare free app, it's possible. Join a community of passionate individuals who are making an impact one opinion at a time. Bulbshare is not just another app. It's a platform where your opinions matter and your voice is heard. By linking up with brands and causes you care about, you can make a difference while earning rewards. It's like social media meets surveys, but with exciting rewards for sharing your thoughts. Bulbshare combines features of both social media and survey platforms, offering rewards to users for sharing their opinions on a range of subjects. The earning opportunities offered by this platform are often referred to as briefs, which can be likened to traditional surveys but with an innovative twist. In addition to responding to questions, participants may also be required to capture a photo or share a video, adding a dynamic and interactive element to the task. Upon logging into the app, users are presented with a selection of briefs to choose from. These briefs provide a concise overview of available topics or tasks, allowing users to easily select the one that piques their interest. This streamlined process helps users efficiently navigate and engage with content that aligns with their preferences and goals. When creating a brief, the process typically begins with a concise video or photo that sets the context for the task at hand. This visual aid is followed by a structured series of questions designed to guide your thinking and responses. You can submit your answers by simply swiping left or right on your device screen or by selecting from a provided list of options. Additionally, it is common for you to be prompted to supplement your responses with relevant images or videos to provide a comprehensive conclusion to the brief. Rest assured that all necessary instructions and guidance will be clearly presented to you throughout the process, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. When working on paid briefs, you can typically expect to earn around $3 to $10 each. When you finish a paid brief on Bulbshare, you earn a predetermined amount, and the best part is there's no minimum threshold to cash out. Once you've completed a paid task, your earnings are promptly transferred directly to your PayPal account. Bulbshare warmly welcomes everyone across the globe, with a gentle reminder that you need to be at least 18 years of age to join this vibrant community. The process of joining is as easy as pie. All you need to do is download the app and sign up using your preferred third-party platform like Facebook or Google, or create a unique login that suits your style. Once you've crossed this simple threshold, an exciting world of briefs awaits your immediate exploration. Don't just scroll through social media. Make a difference with your voice. Download Bulbshare now and start earning rewards for sharing your views. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.